Hi everyone, in this video we will solve the LeetCode number problem 2843, which is count symmetric integers. Let's understand the problem first. In this problem, you have given the two positive integers low and high, and within this range you have to find those digits which are symmetric. So first we have to understand what is the meaning of symmetric in this problem. Suppose if you have any integers like uh, 2 1 2 0 3, so the n digits, suppose there are two into n digits, means in this case 2 into n equal to 4, then n will be the 2. So half part of the digit of the sum should be equal to the last half part of the that integer. Suppose in this case 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, and 0 plus 3, 3 equal to 3. So both the half part are equal. So this number is called symmetric. But it's in the some cases, like if you have the odd numbers like 1 2 0 3 1, in this case the number will not be called as a symmetric. In here also it also is already mentioned, number with odd numbers of a digits are never symmetric. It's already mentioned. So let's understand how we are going to solve this problem. Let's go with the basics. Suppose if I have this number, if I divide this numbers into two parts, and separately if I calculated the digit sum of this 1 2 and 0 3, and we will equate that if this is equal or not, then if they are equal, then we will increase the count. Let's understand with the code only. We already have the low and high value. We set the count value as a 0. We created a while loop which will go to the low to the high, and we created a string value because we are going to cut the integer value into two halves. So we created a value string, and we are converting the integer low into the string, and we are also calculating the length of that. And if which already said in the question that the number with odd digits is not called be the symmetric. So we already mentioned in the if condition only, if the length is even, then we will calculate the if the number is symmetric or not. So here in the if statement only we will manage everything. So in this case, first we calculate the first half value and the second half, and we will check. We are checking here that the sum of first half equal to the sum of second half or not. If the sum of first half is equal to the second half, then we will increase the count value, and after each while we are increasing the low value also. So let's understand the what is the function of sum. It's very simple, you already done before also. This sum function, what will do, it will take the into string value. So first you have to convert this string into integer so that you can calculate the sum of that. So here what we are doing, whatever the string value we are getting, we are converting to integer value, then we are calculating the sum of that particular digit, and we are returning to that function. And we are when we are run this, okay, let's check it, this function is running, this code is running or not. Yeah,